Okay, so we would stretch the skin, we'd insert the needle at a 90-degree angle, we'd inject, we would withdraw, and then we would dispose. So today they're actually practicing on silicone arms, and this is a great opportunity for them to practice injection technique and actually have a feel of using the needles and syringes in the correct position.
I enjoy volunteering, and the vaccination program is the way forward for us to be able to carry on with our lives successfully, and I believe that I've got time to give back to the community.